about our music plans for Europe. Today I'd like to use the last few minutes that we have to actually just play one of these songs for you and show you the game if you haven't seen it. And there will be opportunities for you all to play the game here on the show floor during the conference. So thank you very much, and we're going to play a bit for you now.
You look so fine, I really want to make you mine. You look so fine, I really want to make you mine. So 4, 5, 6, come on and get your kick, man. You don't need money when you look